everyone, welcome to Real Maya channel. Today I am going to show you one more pickle, that's carrot pickle. It's very popular in North India and I can call this as instant pickle because it can be eaten immediately, but for 4 or 5 days you can save it. It does taste very good. And let's start. Ingredients: I've taken 2 carrots and 3 green chillies. Then I've taken large spoon mustard seed powder. I've just roasted them and powdered them. And I've taken less than 1 spoon, maybe 3/4 spoon salt. I've taken pink salt, but you can take any salt, and a pinch of turmeric. This is optional, but I could like to add turmeric. I've taken half lemon juice. I've squeezed it. We need oil tempering. Like I've heated, already did tempering. I've added mustard seeds and cumin seeds and one red chilli, just I've turned into pieces. These are 2 spoons. Let's start. Just we need all spices mixed together. You can put some red chilli flakes too. I like a little bit spicy, so I have added some red chilli flakes. And I'm going to add lemon juice. I'm going to add oil. And mix them well. I could like to put ball on it and shake it. It looks so great. My carrot pickle is ready. It's good to have on a cold day because there are mustard seeds that give little warmth. Let me do taste test. I'm going to eat them with the methi paratha and pickle. Cucumber piece. And let me taste and I will let you know how it really tastes. Could like to take one piece of green chilli and one more carrot piece. Nice crispy carrot pieces. It goes very well with all this combination. For full recipe, check my description. And thank you for watching. If you like this video, share with your friends and subscribe my channel, and see you with new recipe. Until then, bye.